Welcome to today's lesson, and in this lesson we'll be looking at how to capture value added tax on sales. How do you capture value added tax? You're a business person and you sell goods or you render services. Do you know you are supposed to capture these elements and remit to the relevant tax authority? I know you might be wondering, how do I go about capturing these elements into my sales? Don't worry, in this lesson I'll be showing you how to do that. Before I continue, this is Accounting on Excel and I am Amaka Ifebunando. In here we have our tax rates here, and this is where you input your tax rate, and we'll be using 7.5%, which is the value added tax rate. And we have our database for our daily transactions. We have our dates, customer details, transaction details, amount without tax amount, and amount with tax. The amount without tax is the fixed amount, that is your sales amount, the amount you want to sell your product. So we calculate our VAT based on that amount. Then this amount with tax is our amount without tax plus our tax amount will give us amount with tax. So we'll be inputting formula in the tax amount and amount with tax. Follow me closely as I input this formula. I'll be using the sum function to do that. So we'll start inputting our formula with the equal to sign. And I'll use the sum. Good. And I'll be saying this amount, though we've not inputted any amount on that cell, times the rates. The rates, which is I've named that cell, so I'll just select it. The rates. Good. And that's it. So because we don't have any amounts here, let me put 10,000. I made a sales of 10,000. You see, immediately 750 naira is the tax amount. So to calculate the amount with tax, I will just use the same sum function. Sum. Then I'll sum this from this cell to this cell. Good. And that's it. So you see that our sales amount with tax is 10,750. Our amount without tax is 10,000. Our tax amount is 750 based on a 7.5% VAT rate. Right. So this is the amount now you remit to the relevant tax authority. This is the amount you remit to the relevant tax authority. So what I'll do is to drag this formula, use the fill function, drag it so that it can apply to other cell, and also use the fill handle to drag this to apply to other cells. So let's say for the customer 2, we made a sales of 14,000. Immediately, the tax amount is calculated and amount with tax is calculated. Now, it's now depending on you. What amount do you want to invoice to your customer? Is it amount without tax? Then you calculate the tax and total it with amount with tax. Or some will just invoice the amount with tax as the actual amount of that service they are rendering or the products they are also selling. So it depends on how you want to go about it. Right. I believe this has added value to you. If it has, please share with someone that it will be of great benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel you're watching right now. Just subscribe to it, share it, and send your feedback. Send your feedback on the benefit you've gotten from this lesson. Thanks for staying on, and I hope to see you in our next lesson. Bye for now.